Hey folks, this is Alexander from the Code Maestro crew, and today I'm showing how we're crafting tutorials for the game Darklings, using our trusty system. Quick recap from previous videos. We identified possible implementation challenges, outlined the requirements, and built an architecture designed for seamless tutorial integration. All in just 5 queries to the system. Now, let's dig into the actual implementation. Before diving in, I took some time to review CodeMaestro's initial plan and added a few tweaks. I threw in a facade for our system and polished some class names to make them align better with their responsibilities. Here's what we've got, starting with the facade. Now, you could say this isn't the flashiest implementation, and I wouldn't argue with that, but sticking to the practices and standards we've established in the project always trumps personal preferences. Saving kittens might be tough, but with Code Maestro, even that's a non-issue. Check out the code comments. They're distilled straight from the technical requirements and feature design docs. With comments like these, the code is crystal clear for both humans and machines, plus they're auto-updated by the system. Be honest, when's the last time you saw properly commented code at work? Alright, let's move on to the trigger system. Notice how it handles a fix-it update delay because controlling each frame is absolutely critical for brawlers. Now, here's the fun part, the trigger system itself. It's got a delay, a hash set to store available triggers, and activation events. Pretty much the whole toolkit. The delay runs through fix-it update. Code Maestro knows frame-by-frame control is mission-critical for brawlers. Now, check out the trigger checking method. Sure, it's not the most optimized thing ever, but it nails the verification algorithm. During development and debugging, accuracy beats optimization any day. I'll show you the optimization process with Code Maestro in the final video of this series. In our system, there's a chance multiple triggers might fire simultaneously. When that happens, Code Maestro sorts them by priority and picks the highest one, which aligns perfectly with the requirements. When activating a hint, the system verifies all the necessary components. Visuals come first, followed by audio, and only then does the event get triggered. No extra magic needed here. StoryBookView is the class responsible for displaying an interactive book where players can browse previously unlocked hints. Code Maestro generates a configurable list of all available hints. Only the ones meant for the book will actually show up. The class subscribes to trigger system events, and its handler adds items to the list of unlocked hints. But you'll notice the display functions are pretty bare bones. Why's that? Let's take a closer look. For the storybook clearing methods and hint additions, preloading logic is already in place. Code Maestro set it up this way because, at the moment, the storybook prefab and its animator are missing from the repository. Once I add those, the system will index them and automatically fill in the gaps in the code. Last time, when my team and I integrated a tutorial into a project, it took 2 full sprints. Now we've got a fully functional tutorial system after just 7 queries to Code Maestro. With this approach, dev speed is no longer the bottleneck. Now I'm just waiting for the art team to deliver the necessary assets. That's a wrap for this session. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you next time.